Good morning, children. Today I am present here with the last advertisement, and that is matrimonials. So today it is the last session of the class of advertisement. Now let's see the features. First one is start with wanted. So you have to start this advertisement with the word wanted. Second is appearance. After wanted, we have to describe the appearance of a boy or a girl for whom the advertisement is being published, being written. Then third point is sex, age, height and complexion. After the appearance of a boy or a girl, we have to write the sex, means a boy or a girl, then name, then age, then the complexion, fair or dark, then height. So these all things we are going to describe. Next one is caste, religion. To mention the caste and religion is must for the advertisement of matrimonials. Job, qualification and place of posting. Then you have to mention the job, in which job the person is for whom the advertisement is being written. And if he or she is not in a job, then what is the qualification of the person concerned? And after that, where is he or she posted? Qualities sought in partner. Then what qualities does the person want in his or her partner, life partner? And at last, contact address. So once again, first point, start with wanted. Second, appearance. If he or she is beautiful, smart or ugly, not good looking, charming, smiling. Then number 3, name, age, sex, height, complexion. Number 4, caste or religion. Number 5, qualification, or if he or she is in job, then job, and the place of posting. Then contact details. One more is left. That is qualities sought in partner. This is also essential to be mentioned. What kind of partner he or she wants. Now see the question. Write a matrimonial advertisement for publication in a newspaper for suitable match for your sister. Now the solved answer. First of all, the topic will be groom wanted, because here the advertisement is for a girl, so the topic will be groom wanted. If the advertisement would be for a boy, then here you will write bride wanted. Then as we have read in the feature that it will start with wanted word, so you can see it has been started with wanted. Wanted a suitable match for fair complexion. So here color is described. Pretty, slim. So the appearance of the girl is mentioned. 25-year-old Brahmin girl. So 25-year-old age is mentioned. Brahmin girl, caste is mentioned. Working in Mumbai. So her job is mentioned as an engineer, and the Place of posting is also mentioned, Mumbai. 5'4" height is mentioned. So everything is mentioned, just like the features which we have already discussed. Boy's nature and professional qualification main consideration. Then quality sought in the partner. So what kind of boy does the girl want? Nature. His nature should be sweet, loving, and professional qualification. These 2 points are mainly pointed, considered, and at last contact address is given. So here you have seen that all the features which are mentioned have been taken in this solved answer. So this way you can also write any matrimonial advertisement. As today it is the last session of the advertisement class, so just to remind you, I want to tell you the features of all the kinds of advertisements from the very beginning. So first of all, we will see the features of the advertisement. Situation vacant. So the features are, number 1, start with the word wanted. Number 2, name of the organization, institution, any company, factory. Number 3, if asked, then age, sex, married or unmarried. Number 4, qualification and experience. Number 5, salary. And number 6, contact details. Now the features of the advertisement, situation wanted. So first is educational qualification, other qualification and experience of the candidate. Number 2, age, sex, married or unmarried. Number 3, salary desired. Number 4, kind of job, timing, area, and then at last contact details. Now the features of the advertisement for sale and purchase. If the advertisement is for sale, then the starting word will be sale. If the advertisement is for purchase, then the starting word will be purchase or wanted. If it is about any property, then the second point will be the description of property in brief, such as floor, number of rooms, size, and if any additional things are there, then that. If it is about any vehicle, then the color, model, mileage, and any additional part, extra part is there, then accessories. If it is about any household goods, then model, brand, color, and if it is about furniture, then material applied in the furniture. At last, we will discuss the price and then contact address. Now the features of the advertisement to let and the advertisement for rent or accommodation wanted. So the features of the both advertisements are almost same. Only if the advertisement is about to let, then we have to start with the word available for rent. And if it is about for rent or accommodation wanted, then you have to start with the word wanted for rent. Number 2, you have to describe the flat in brief, house in brief, whether it is for to let or for rent. Such as you have to give the number of rooms, size, floor, fixtures and fittings, and then price and contact address. Now the features of educational institution. So first of all, name of the organization, institution, then duration of course, then timing of course, then type of course, then age group, then course fee, and last date of registration, and at last contact address. Now the features of travels and tours. So first start with attractive package, then destination, then duration, then the description of attractive package like breakfast, dinner, staying in hotel, what kind of hotel, then sightseeing, then price and any discount, and at last contact address. Now the features of the advertisement missing. So first start with the word missing. Then in the case of animal, breed, species. In the case of human being, name, age, sex, the dress worn by the person on the day of disappearance. Point number 4, appearance. Point number 5, in case of animal, to which name it responds. Point number 6, in case of human being, the languages spoken by him or her. Point number 7, time of disappearance, then place of disappearance, and at last contact address. Now the features of advertisement lost and found. If it is about lost, then start with the word lost. If it is about found, then start with the word found. Number 2, the time, day and date when the object was lost or found. Number 3, the place where the object was lost or found. Then description of object. In the case of lost, we have to give full description. In the case of found, only partial description, because then there will be so many persons to claim. In case of found, you may write the person concerned may collect the object giving full details and identification mark. In the case of lost, you have to give the identification mark. In the case of lost, you have to write the informer will be suitably rewarded. Children, this line, the informer will be suitably rewarded, you can also mention in the advertisement machine, and at last contact address, and at last the advertisement matrimonials, which I have already discussed. So today the session of advertisement has come to an end. That's all.